Hi, in this video, I'll show you what bridge pages are and how to create them automatically with the Content Egg plugin and AI. Look at the diagram. Usually, your landing page links straight to the merchant's site. Bridge pages add a step on your own site. Visitors land on a focused product page first, then go to the merchant. This keeps people on your site longer and builds trust. Let's see a live example. Here's our roundup post, Best 3D Printers Under $400. It uses Content Egg product blocks. If a visitor clicks the button, the Amazon page opens. Now click Edit Post. Scroll to the Content Egg product data. Find the button, Import as Bridge Page. You can choose specific products or import bridge pages for all products in the module by default. You can create many types of pages: price comparison, WooCommerce listing, product review, or a custom import preset you configure. If presets are new to you, I've linked a guide in the description. In a preset, you choose the post type, set AI prompts, add shortcodes, and more. You can also turn on canonical bridge pages. This makes one product page the site-wide default destination for that product. For this demo, I'll use the simple Woo listing preset. It will create a WooCommerce listing on my site for every affiliate product. Note, bridge pages aren't created right away. They go into the import queue. To watch progress, open Import Tools Queue. Give it a few minutes. Refresh the post edit page. You'll see a small link icon next to products that now have a bridge page. Back to the article. What changed? The button now says See Details, not Buy Now. The affiliate disclaimer is hidden because there are no affiliate links on this page anymore. Click the button, and you go to the product bridge page on our site. The content is generated with AI. Only on this details page do we link to Amazon with our partner ID. Why this helps: more page views and engagement, an SEO boost from long-tail queries, smarter monetization with price history, coupons, and multiple merchants, healthier SEO signals with fewer affiliate links in the main article. There is one downside. Some visitors just want to buy now. Forcing a bridge page can lower conversions for them. A smart balance works best. Keep your top product blocks linked directly with affiliate URLs. In the block settings, set link destination to prefer a merchant affiliate. Now your top block gives fast links for shoppers in a hurry. And other blocks can point to bridge pages for visitors who want details. You can change the bridge page button text in Content Egg, Settings, Front End, Bridge button text. For example, set it to View Product. That's the new Bridge Pages workflow in Content Egg. More control, more engagement, better SEO. See you in the next video.